Okay, here's our first problem, finding the population density. So the state of Nevada has a population about 2.7 million people. We need to find the population and density in people per square mile. Your first step when doing these types of problems, because it's density and we're finding the area of land, we must find the area of Nevada. So if you see, we have a trapezoid, that is what this piece is, approximately. Obviously, you see this little piece down here. We're not going to get that picky into it. We are going to, we're going to be looking at average density. So we're going to find the area, and that's going to be our best approximation. So the formula for a trapezoid is 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. Now, since it is slightly sideways in this case, we have base 1, base 2, and the 320 is our height. So whatever one you have two pieces on that are top and the bottom, think like parallel pieces, those are your bases. So 1/2, 320 times 200 plus 490. And then, what is that? 690 times 320 times 1/2. So basically dividing it by 2, that gives us 110,400 miles squared. So we figured out our area. Now we need to look at number of people over the area of land. When we write this out, we are not going to write 2.7. That is 2.7 million. So that means we are looking at 2,700,000 over our 110,400. That is our area of land over the people. And when you get that, you get approximately 24. The reason why I'm saying approximately 24 is because you will get, let's see, 110, 400, 24.456. We don't count people like that. We count people as a whole. So we are going to round down and say that is approximately 24 people per square mile in the state of Nevada. All right, hopefully that makes sense. So we're kind of taking the area formula and finding a purpose with it. And that's the purpose, because we want to know how many people are in the state of Nevada. I think there'd be some more interesting in like big cities, but Nevada is where we're taking it. All right, that's it for this one. You're going to have a couple more, so keep on going with the slides.